Sugar.
One day come and buy this one. I just brought it from Addis Ababa. Hey, this kind mask where you wear, eh? Even China people will bring corona never wear this type of your mask. Eh? I don't even know why you wear this. It be like saying now you they fear this corona pass. Eh? They go just get. You know the fear? Yeah. Give me a phone. Yeah. Give me a phone. Where you? Oh yeah, they go your car. They go your car. Hi. They go. If you move, I will waste these 6 inches on you. Don't even think I'm here to play. If you move. Woo! Woo! See beauty. Oh. Oh boy. Hey.
Oh, not too much.
Boy. Oh. Oh. Agabus. You are the one that wanted to rob me this hot afternoon, eh? Nah, close your mouth. Can't you see that finger? Oh!
Excuse me. Fine boy.
Baby girl.
Please, I'm looking for number 23 Adeyemi Street.
Number 23. It's just a stone throw from here now. You're almost there.
Thank you.
If you want, I can escort you.
No need.
Anyway, what do I know? Agabus. I still don't understand why this hot afternoon you will block the road and you want to rob me. You want to rob me off? Agabus, when I will forget about this robbery. Can't you see that fine girl? Yeah, I can see the fine girl, but Agabus, you did not rob me when I had nothing. Now that I have something, you want to come and rob me. Agriba, hold this. I'm coming to collect it, eh? I should hold this one.
What is it?
Sorry, just 1 minute. I just wanted to tell you something.
Is it because you showed me one street like that? That's why you're following me about. I don't have money.
It's not like I wanted to
Okay, what do you want? What is it?
Hey, now you are talking. It's just your number. Just give me your number.
Just my number.
That's all.
Okay, let me bring my phone.
Hey, can I make it look as if I want to collect money from you? Understand?
Yes! Yes!
Hey.
Give me everything you have. Fast!
Please don't kill me.
Give me everything.
Don't kill me.
Don't waste my time. Oh yeah, pull your clothes.
My clothes. Remove. Hey!
Remove your clothes. Remove it.
Who are me?
You want to
Who are me? Who are me?
Be fast.
This boy is taking a lot of time. Hey! Agabus, you left here complete and well suited. Why are you here almost half naked? Agriba, I have just been robbed. Agabus, what did I hear you say? I said I have just been robbed, Agriba. Bachande Mo, you have been robbed. Oh yes. I can't believe it that a robber will rob a robber. How is it possible? Agriba, even me, it shocked me. It shocked you? It shocked me. You people are supposed to have a meeting that you identify your members. Agriba, do you know that fine girl that I said let me go and meet and collect number now? Agriba, as I got to her car, do you know that fine girl brought out a gun and robbed me? I can't believe this. Hey. I cannot believe this. Hey. Agriba, please, that is why I came back. Help me. Please. All my life that I've been in this robbery business, I have not successfully robbed one person. They have been the one robbing me. And you are still in the robbing business. Who are me? What else do you want me to do? Please help me. Just look at you. Just in the twinkle of an eye, you became rich. Look at the car you are driving. Please show me the way. Agabus, have you heard of 1xBet? 1xBet is the best and most reliable betting platform ever. You don't mean it? FC Barcelona is their official partner. Wonderful. Once you register for free and use my promo code Lenzi, any deposit, your deposit will be multiplied by 200%. You don't mean it? That is if you deposit $100 there, they will give you $200 extra. Jehovah Biafra. You now have $300. So, that is the only secret. Go and play 1xBet. Don't forget to use my promo code Lenzi and make your life a better one. What all this nonsense robbing you are doing? Go and have a better life, Moreover, where is my phone and all my properties you collected from me? The girl stole everything. She robbed me and robbed you too. She robbed you and robbed my properties too. Yeah, she stole everything. Hey, well, you don't have to be sorry. There is money now, so I can easily buy another one. Thank you. I made a lot of money from 1xBet. Don't forget to use my promo code Lenzi. Of course. Before I go, take this your properties. Go and find a better life for yourself. I will. Find a better life for yourself. I will. Now that I've shown you the way, I hope to see you rich.